He's safe now. But at first they thought he was dead. The babies refused to leave her side. No one thought she'd take another breath. But someone saw hope for life and immediately embraced the puppies. Mother and her cubs were placed in a basket. Their hopes revived because the mother was breathing. First intervention was made for my mom. Babies, they didn't let him starve to death. Your mom eats and is healthy now. You just witnessed a miracle. Don't miss the next one. 25% of this channel's income is donated to animal rescue.